All right, in my pile of stones that I was not able to grind with my other machines, I'm gonna give it a try on this machine. This machine has shown a lot of potential with hard stones, and I think this is some kind of quartzite. It has kind of a pinky red color to it. When I had tried grinding it before in the past, it had become more of kind of an oval shape. So I had grinded down some of the top part, and we'll see how it goes. It does have like a void there, as you can see. I don't think that's gonna come out. I think that's gonna go deep into the stone, and so it's just gonna be part of the character of this stone. It's still a nice piece, and I look forward to seeing what it looks like when we're done, because I do like the color of it. Got a little bit of glue from another project that kind of spilt on it, but yeah, I'm gonna put it on here, and yeah, we'll go from there, and I hope it all works out. All right, we have it in the machine. Time to get the water going. Something like that. And here we go. All right, here we got this quartzite ready to go and put in the polisher for 50 grit. All right, that will wrap up this session of polish for the 100. Let's go to the next grit. Our 400 grit. All right, that will wrap up the 400 grit. So we're starting to see it become really smooth now, and kind of has that little bit of a waxy luster. So right about there. The next phase will be 800 grit, and that's where it'll start to turn into a shine. I think I'm gonna go all the way on this one and go all the way to the 3000 grit. That's as high as I got, and see where we go from there. This is really starting to take a shine, and this color is starting to become a lot darker now, which is strange. You know, we started out with it being a very pink salmon color, and now it's getting quite a bit darker. So, all right, I'm gonna go set it up for 800, and we'll go from there. We're starting the 800 grit. All right, this will wrap up the 800 grit. Let's take a look real quick. Oh yeah. Gets a little more shiny each time. It's looking good. We're already set for the 1500 grit, so let's get going. All right, that will be it for the 1500 grit. And wow, it sure is looking shiny and polished. We are going to go to the last polish that I have, which is 3000. So let's take this out and get ready for 3000 grit. This will be the last and final round of polishing for this stone. So let's get it started. This round of polish is over. We are done. So let's, that's nice and shiny. Let's clean it up and look at it under a better light. All right, here we are. Got the stone all cleaned up and under some good light. This is a chunk of quartzite, and I don't remember where I found it, but it was several years ago. And as I stated in the video, I wasn't able to finish the stone until now because of its hardness. Man, this was very hard, and it had been just kind of sitting around for a while, and so I'm glad I was able to finish it. I love the color, the way it turned out. One of the big reasons why I collected this in the first place is because it had this salmon kind of rosy color to it. It was found in an area full of more white quartz and quartzite. So this one kind of stood out, and so I was glad to see it. So let me zoom in here a little bit more. You can see all the different colors and transitions that it has. Man, I just really love this color. It turned out great, and I'm glad that I was able to finish this stone and to see how glossy it is, and to see how it changed from a very pale color, a very pale pinky kind of color, to this, which appears to be a little more orange. And I think it turned out great. It'll be a nice part of the collection. And thank you for watching this video. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and share this video with someone else who likes quartzite. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.